gonna do my makeup with you today. The first product that I use is the liquid eyeshadow in Light Beam. I just love this color. It has a great doe foot applicator to generously apply the pigment packed color in the eye area. And this color that I'm using today is Light Beam. It's actually one of my favorites. And I definitely encourage tapping the eye color with your ring finger. It is the weakest finger, so you do want to use that to gently apply any products around the eye area. I also like to put a little bit of this Light Beam underneath my brows. So it can be a highlighter for the area there. I'm getting ready quickly today because I have a 4 o'clock Zoom and I need some makeup. And this is my busy mom, busy businesswoman look, and don't know what's going on with my hair here, but it's a hot mess. So just focus on the makeup. So my next favorite product is Rose Gold. It is our Mary Kay Chroma Fusion eyeshadow in Rose Gold. It's such a beautiful color, very light, but has some little sparkles in it, some little flickers of rose gold. So it's really beautiful. It's even great if you just want to use it all by itself. If you need to run on to the store, you can just put some rose gold on. And yeah, like I said, don't know what's going on with my hair, but busy moms get things done, and sometimes it's not getting the hair done. So my next favorite color is Merlot. It's so beautiful. It is our Mary Kay Chroma Fusion eyeshadow in Merlot. And this color is just gonna go right in the crease of the eye as an accent. And I'm using this amazing brush. Tools are everything. And so I love to use the Mary Kay all over eyeshadow brush. And then I also use the Mary Kay eye crease brush to apply Merlot just in the creases of the eye. And just swiping back and forth, left and right, applying that eyeshadow in the creases of the eye, and blending is your friend, ladies. Blend, blend, blend. And that's what I'm doing here. Just gently blending left and right. Blending is your friend. Ladies, blend, blend, blend. Blending is your friend. Don't you forget it. You know when you're just doing your makeup and you just start feeling it and you're loving the look? Well, Merlot does that for me. Oh my gosh, Merlot is my favorite. And just applying a little bit underneath the eye really finishes off that eyeshadow look. And I am just loving this color for any season, really. Okay, so next, finishing off the eye look is our liquid eyeliner. Oh my gosh. This new Mary Kay waterproof liquid eyeliner pen in Intense Black is amazing. It glides on super easy. Obviously, as you can see here, I only need one hand to put it on. You don't have to tug the skin to apply the eyeliner. It just gently glides onto the eye area. Looking amazing. I just love it. Love, love this. It's the bomb. All right, and then just finishing off the next eye. Now, lash primer. This cotton and nylon fiber brush helps strengthen and condition the lashes, and it preps your lashes for the next step, waterproof. This is going to condition the lashes as well with vitamin E and Mary Kay's exclusive Panthenol Pro Complex. It helps moisturize, strengthen, and condition your lashes. And this mascara actually gives a naturally flawless, soft look to your lashes in a waterproof formula. Now, my favorite, our Lash Intensity Mascara. This brush adds 200% more volume to the lashes. It's like adding the thickness of 2 lashes onto every one, and it has a uniquely designed brush to help plump while combing through to lengthen the look of the lashes. Now, our new limited edition Lash Love Panorama Mascara also has a unique brush, one of my favorites as well. I like to coat the top of the lashes with the Lash Love Panorama and giving a nice generous amount to the entire lash. Here, you'll now see one eye done and the other one not. Now, I'll go ahead and finish the other eye, doing the exact same things to the other eye. You want to make sure to close your mascaras tightly. We're almost done. Next, you want to put your highlighter and contour on at this point. Highlighter on the cheekbones using our Chroma Fusion Mary Kay highlighter. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of Wineberry on my cheeks there underneath the highlighter, making sure to apply on the cheekbone. You'll want to start from the back of the hairline and go forward. Here I am having fun. Cheekbones. Apply it there. Okay, final look. Make sure that you have lip primer on before you put on your lipstick. You can do a lip liner, outlining the outside of the lip, and then you could apply your lipstick. Here I am applying Berry Famous lipstick. I just love this. This has to be one of my favorites right now. And yay! Look is done. Woo, woo, woo. Yay, bam! Bye.